I would be filming and demonstrating about NAV APLAN week 4. So let's go. So the materials that we will be needing today are, first up of course is chart number 9, since that is what is on APLAN. So we will be using chart number 9. So up next is we have a parallel ruler, and next is we have the pencil, a black ball pen, and an eraser, and of course let's not forget our compass divider, and finally a triangle ruler. So this is optional. So let's jump right into our plotting. So first up is we will be reading the scenario description of before we proceed to plotting. So at 14:30 hours, the vessel is at the vicinity of the southern part of Panay Island with rising tide and on course 278 degrees through speed 10 knots. The OOW observed two lighthouses at the same time. The Libertad lighthouse bears 090 degrees, while the Pushio PT lighthouse bears 030 degrees. After 40 minutes, Pushio lighthouse bears 060 degrees true, distance 3.2 nautical miles, and the OOW altered the course to 016 degrees true and 10 knots. So at 15:54 hours, Nasong PT lighthouse bears 030 degrees. After 30 minutes, Nasong PT lighthouse bears 090 degrees. So first up is we will be looking for our first LOP. So in order for that to happen, we must first plot for Libertad Lighthouse. So first LOP. So in order for us to find our first LOP, we must look for the true course. True course of Libertad Lighthouse is at 278 degrees true, while our relative bearing is at 090 degrees R. So we add both of these. So we have 278 plus 090 is 368. True. So if this is the case, we must subtract it by 360 because that is the rule. So since it is greater than 360, we must subtract it by 360. So the answer is 008 degrees true. That is for our Libertad Lighthouse. That lighthouse. So we will be looking for 08. So 008, we have it here. Am I correct? So next is we will find Libertad, which is right over here. So slide slide, and there you have it. We have ourselves a 0.08 degrees. So up next, after we find our first LOP, we must find our second LOP. So second LOP. So our second LOP is finding our true course, which is same 278 degrees true, and our relative bearing is relative bearing for this is 0.30 degrees. 0.30 degrees R. So again, we repeat the same steps. We add both of these. So 278 plus 30 is 308. 08 to 4 Pusyo PT Lighthouse. So that's our second LOP. So in order to get that, we must find ourselves our 308. So here is our 308. Then 98. So here. Yeah. So we will position it to push you. So just a little bit of sliding, and there you have it. Slide it over here, and there we have a intersection here. So this is our fixed position. Fix at 14:30 hours. So yan. So after we find our first LOP and our second LOP from Pushuport and from Libertad, we must also find Pusyo's bearing at 0.60 degrees true. So here we have that. So we will maneuver our parallel ruler to Pushuport. So yeah. There we have it. Draw a little line. And then, and next we will also find in our compass rose the course bearing of Panay Island at 278 degrees true. So here we have it like that, and slide a little. So this is the intersection of lines. From the first LP to here. Yeah. So right now we already got our fixed position at 15, 10, 100 hours. So this is where both of the push your port from 1430 100 hours went by. After 40 minutes it already traveled through here. The current time is 15:10 hours. Okay, so after we have find its fix, we will solve for our next problem, which is at 15:54 hours. Nasong PT Lighthouse bears 030 degrees. After 30 minutes, Nasong Port Lighthouse bears 90 degrees. So, with that being said, we must find our bearings. So same as usual, we will find our true course and relative bearing. First up, we will find our course, which is given at 016 degrees true. So it's right over here. And then what we're gonna do is align it well and move slightly here. Yan. So we'll draw a little bit of line. So from here we draw a line. And so that is 016 degrees true. So after that, after we have found our the course of our next problem, we should also find the true course and its relative bearing. So true course is 016 degrees true, and our relative bearing is 30 degrees R. And let's add them both, which results to 046 degrees true. So from Nasog Port Lighthouse, we must plot 46 degrees. So yan. So we will find our port, Nasug Port. So from there, we must slide our ruler to Nasog Port Lighthouse. So slide a little bit, and there you have it. There. So there, we've crossed again. From here, we've crossed another intersection and another fix at 1600. I mean at 1554. So after we have found our fix at 1554, Nasog Port Lighthouse again bears at 90 degrees. So let's find our true course again. True course is equals to 0, 16 degrees true, while our relative bearing is at 0, 90 degrees R. So again, let's add both of these. 0, 16 plus 90 is equals to 106. 106 degrees true. Again. So let's find 106 in our compass rose. So 106. So here we have it. Here. So we have here 106. Let's slide it again to Nasog PT. So yeah, Nasog PT. So let's draw a line there. Perfect. Let's extend this a little bit. So there you have it. Two of them crossed each other at a fix of 2800 hours. So there you have it, guys. So quick recap of what we have plotted and learned. So ating first LOP from Libertad Lighthouse is this is our first LOP. Next we've got our second LOP from Pusyo Port Lighthouse, so here, and an intersection of which the fix is at 1430 hours. So our course is 278 degrees true and our speed is 10 knots. So So next is we have plotted and push support again, going here, and made progress for 430 100 hour. Our vessel moved 40 minutes, and this is the location of our vessel. This is the fix at 15:10 hours. So next is we have plotted a line from here going here, and from Nasog port we have drawn a line and an intersection of which the fix is at 15:54 hours. So the vessel from here going to here, and our A over C, or R, is 0.16 degrees true course, and our speed is 10 knots. So next is the final step that we made, is drawing a line from here down to here, and an intersection was drawn and made, circle, and a fix of about 16:24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.